Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos to watch offline. Now, if you're going somewhere, maybe flying on a plane, and you wanted to be able to download those videos and turn your phone on airplane mode to be able to watch those videos even though you're offline, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, I'm on my iPhone, but it works the exact same on Android or a computer. Open up the YouTube app or youtube.com. And first, let's navigate to the video. I'm going to tap on You at the bottom right, and then just go to View Channel, and I'm going to go to one of my videos, let's say this video. If I wanted to download it, you can see a Save button here. However, saving it does not download it to your device. It just saves it within YouTube, kind of like bookmarking it. So it's a little bit tricky. Instead of save, we're going to scroll over and tap on Download. You can see it starts to download the video immediately. If you don't have YouTube Premium, you do need to pay for YouTube Premium, or you can do the free trial. Essentially, it is required to be able to download these offline. After you've done that, I'll show you how it works. If I swipe down from the top right and toggle airplane mode on, you can see I'll refresh YouTube and it says you're offline. Do you want to see your downloads? Either tap see your downloads or tap You at the bottom right. Let me tap it again and then scroll down, tap on downloads, and there are all your downloaded videos. You can tap on it to be able to watch it even when you're offline or have airplane mode turned on. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.